channel, Grandma Indra's Recipes. Today we are going to prepare a sweet. Today we are going to prepare a hotel style kesari. Let's go to the kitchen and see how to prepare the kesari. Add ghee. Roast the cashew. Keep the stove on medium flame. Now add the dry grapes. Transfer it in a bowl. Add the rava in the same tawa. Roast it nicely. Roast it well for 5 minutes. Change it in a bowl. I use this cup for measuring. I took 1.5 cups of rava. For 1 cup of rava, we need to add 3 cups of water. Now I'm going to add 4.5 cups of water. You have to boil it. Today I took red food coloring. Now add little water. Mix it well. Now it starts boiling. Now add the roasted rava. Little by little. Rava starts absorbing all the water. Now add the food coloring. Nicely and gently. Now add the sugar little by little. I took 1.5 cups of sugar. My parents like less sugar. Now add little more ghee. Now add little cardamom. Now add the fried nuts. Our kesari is ready. It looks so nice. It's time to taste. Yummy. It's so delicious. I'll help you. You like it? You like it also? Wow, yummy. Try this recipe at home and send me a feedback.
If you like this recipe,
subscribe,
like
and comment.
and share with your friends. Bye.
Bye.
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Bye.